We have prepared Nigerian Moi Moi with leaves. We have prepared Nigerian Moi Moi with Kom Moi Moi. Anyone? Today, I'm going to prepare Nigerian Moi Moi with aluminium foil as the container. I know there's a lot of bad press about aluminium foil. At the end of the day, to use aluminium foil to cook or not to is up to you. So please do your own research and decide which one you want to use. If you watched my Cook with Me Moi Moi, the Kom Moi Moi, I'll put the link below. You know the drill on the ingredients. I've already peeled the beans. We have the rest of the ingredients. Nothing has changed much here except ginger. I'm going to add ginger today, a little bit of ginger. Yeah, ginger tastes good in moi moi, but I don't always like adding it because I feel like it clashes with the crayfish. And then over here for the moi moi accessories, I'm going to add corned beef today. Corned beef is the classic addition to Nigerian moi moi, corned beef and egg and omiano in those days. Yeah, again I have sardine and I have my pork bits. Let's move ahead. This is going to be a sharp video, not a cook with me, okay? Hey, so chopping. Like I said earlier, I'm preparing the same quantity of beans. Yeah, I'm making the moi moi with the same quantity of beans. 2 cups of beans. And I'm going to use the same quantity of water. Who remembers the quantity of water? If you watched my Cook with Me Moi Moi video, you will know. Ooh. This is it. Somebody is helping me make the aluminium foil bags. Somebody's son. Hey, somebody's son will make aluminium foil bags for me one day. Are you paying attention? I actually have a video from many years ago where he's doing it because he's an expert. So he doubles it for reinforcements. Get yourself somebody's son that can make aluminium foil bags. Makadia mama. Oh, gualu. Look at all the ones he has made. Dalo. As always, I'm using the same rig up. See that? Let me add a little bit more water. Set it on the stove. Again, blending time. You already know the tricks now, don't you? always the same outcome. Remember we added 1.5 of this the last time. The same. When you cook the same thing over and over and over and over again, you can do it with your eyes closed, really. The ginger should be a little bit so that it doesn't overpower the rest of the ingredients. The water is boiling, so we need to start scooping. The key fell off, so I'm going to engineer it. I'm going to show it that I am an engineer, so I clean this with oil. Let me see if I can open it. Engineer in the kitchen. I'm being careful not to touch the food with the plier. What is a plier doing in the kitchen? You try this at home, eh? That's the corned beef. I don't like the smell. See the Moi Moi foil bag. On this side there are 2 sheets of aluminium foil, and on this side there are 2. Then if you want to scoop it, you're going to fold in the same direction as he folded the original one, so bear that in mind. To scoop it, you can use cup, you can use this, anyone you want. So okay, and it's open like that. You can fill it halfway, then you add some of this, whatever you're adding, be it boiled egg or sardine, add it, and then add a bit more to cover it, so that when it's cooked it will be in the middle. You see? Oh, what a mess. It's because I'm standing in an awkward position. When I finish this one, I'll change the orientation of the camera and I'll show you. To fold it, keep it like this. I hope you can see it. In the same direction as my husband folded it before. And then fold it firmly. This moi moi is, there's space inside, you can see. You don't do it tight, if not it will burst in the pot, so you leave some space for it to expand. Okay, so this is what I've got, and then let's go and place it in the pot. This is high heat, so reduce it, like I always say, to medium heat. You don't want it boiling at the highest heat, so you place that like that. Okay, this is how you should stand when you're doing it, not the other way. The other way was awkward, so it made a lot of mess. So make sure you have 2 on this side, 2 on that side. See how I'm hashing it? These 2 this way, this one is going this way. I put this thing here to differentiate between the ones that have corned beef and the ones that have another thing here. That's everything. 5. 5 bags. You see? No busting. Clean. If it had burst, it would have made a mess. It's about 45 minutes now. I cook it the same time, 45 minutes, because this is not a lot. If it filled the pot like that, I would have cooked it for longer, but it should be fine. It needs to cool down completely. If you open it now, it will be nyama nyama. Needs to cool down, not completely, to a comfortable temperature, not piping hot, so that it will be solid, a little bit solid. You'll see it when it happens. I normally put it on the tile like this. It helps it cool down faster. Especially now that we are hungry. Dinner is late. Okay, I think it has cooled down to a good temperature. Like I said earlier, it's late. I can't continue to wait for this. So you unwrap it like a Christmas present. Yummy. Hey, yummy-listic. I'll eat mine with plantain and salad. Look at it, frying. Yum, yum, yum. Look at that. Look at that. Neck one, ya. Otokereto. Itokatakwa gị na chi this moi moi itokatakwa. Bye bye, see you soon.